Well, welcome. Hi. I'm going to be leading you through, I think, approximately the next 2 hours. And the focus of our unit is to talk about using the most used Google products as an office professional in Boulder Valley School District. My name is Dan Lehman, and I'm a middle school teacher over at Centennial Middle School. I hope I get to run into you at some point. But I've created this series of videos with everything I could think of that you might be able to use to help you out with this new role. So I wanted to just get you started at a very basic level. In case you've never used Schoology before, Jamie should have you enrolled in this course. And what I want you to do is I want you to be looking for this big G Google logo. In that case, you're going to click on Courses, and it should be visible somewhere here, even if the entire G isn't available, because you're registered for it here. If you can't find it there, take a look for the word Google under My Courses. And if all else fails, you can join a course. And I'm going to put this course code up on the screen. And of course, you can just pause the video here if you need this. And let's talk about browsing Schoology for a moment. So let's say you're here. There's a couple different ways to start with everything. I would start in Unit 1 and open up that folder. And each of these videos will best play if you click the little play button here. It'll open up a YouTube video in Schoology. You can play it and pause it right here, move on to the next one. However, if you're very much like, I like one thing on the screen at a time, you can click on the link to the item. It will load up this. You'll do the same thing. Click this to get the YouTube video going. But what I love about Schoology is you can click the next button and it will bring you to the next resource you need all the way through the entire course. Every video in the first folder, and then it'll bring you to the second folder. It'll bring you to this resources file, and then it'll bring you over to the first video in the second folder, and so on until you're done. There are 27 videos, but not a single video is over 5 minutes long, I promise, and some are as short as 90 seconds. And feel free to pick and choose if you feel like an advanced user in any of these particular subjects. Review something, look at something, check only this unit, that kind of thing. Whatever will build your skills. And the last recommendation I have is that this link here goes to the YouTube playlist directly, where you can just click play all, and it will play all 27 videos in a row for you, straight out of YouTube, so you don't have to be in Schoology at all. I hope those different navigation methods work for you, and I hope you enjoy this content. Thank you so much for being here. Have a great afternoon.